Now we're gonna make 2018 year of the declutter. This part of the video is called Ready, Set, Go. I'm gonna show you if a setting powder is gonna work for you, or do you even need to set at all. And I'm gonna test out 4 different ones that I have just sitting here: the Derma Blend, the Black Opal Loose Oil Blocking, the Ben Nye and Camel. I don't like the banana one, it's too light. And my favorite, the Maybelline Fit Me. But I don't even use this all the time. I find I just have them sitting around. So I have my foundation on already, and I have my chin area, my nose, my forehead, under my eyes set with the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer and the Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer. So on my right, your left, with a damp sponge, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose and Medium Deep. I do like this one, but like I said, I haven't been using them lately, and there's a reason why. With the back side of the wet sponge, my left, your right, the Derma Blend Warm Saffron. Again, my blender is damp. See the difference already? With the clean back side of the sponge, Black Opal, up the nose, on the forehead, which I sweat a lot there. And Camel by Ben Nye on the chin, on the Cupid's bow. I'm going to brush this all the way and then continue. So it's been about a good 12 hours since I completed this experiment. Remember, on my right, your left is the Maybelline Fit Me in Loose. And this is what it's giving me. Now, this powder is ground down softly, and it does give a powder-like consistency. However, it says setting and finishing. Do I see me putting this all over to finish my whole face? That's going to be a no. Now, on my left, your right, we have the Derma Blend Warm Saffron. Out of all the setting powders, this one is grounded down, seem like the softest, and it is a true powdery consistency, but this one, when I set with the damp sponge or a dry sponge, it seems like it moved the concealer. Like if your concealer is too wet or sticky, you have to let that concealer completely dry. And my only fear with this one is under your eyes when it look too dry. Keep in mind, this was the most expensive one out of them all. So the Black Opal, up the chin, up here. This is softly milled, but it served no purpose. And like it literally just sat there. I had to dust, and this a no. This right here, remember when these were all the rage on YouTube? Too chalky, too dusty, serves no purpose. It will dry you out. Even if you have the oiliest of the skin, you will get dry. This is a complete no. But instead of throwing this in the trash, I have an idea. I'll be right back. 2018, I want to declutter and not waste any more coin. I have in my good mind to dump each and every one of them in this Tupperware bowl and seal it and just use them all as a mixture. So I know you all are like, well, what if they don't work together? It does not make a difference. I'm not using them now. I'm going to insert some pictures of some of the best looks I think I've got with my makeup that came with no setting at all. The point for this experiment is you do not have to do what's trending. YouTube is one of the biggest free focus groups ever. Either a brand is going to love you or a brand is going to hate you. But one thing for sure, you're giving them exposure whether you like or love a product. So that's why you shouldn't be looking up to nobody. You should do research on your own. A beauty influencer is just that. They are here to influence. Totally different from a makeup artist. A makeup artist is going to shop for makeup for every skin tone, skin type, skin textures. A beauty influencer is going to shop for just what works for them. Okay? That might not work for you. And depending on your skin tone, skin type, and all that, setting may not be for you. But of all of them, I would say Maybelline is my winner. I've never went in and set all over. So let's just experiment before I go wash my face. Let's see how that turns out. So I have some Maybelline Fit Me here. And okay, it killed the shine because it says finishing and setting powder. But now it left me with a cast. So now what am I to do? Travel with setting spray? It's team too much. That's my whole point. And some people would even say, oh, it don't look bad. I'm not saying it does. What I'm saying is it's doing too much. It's team too much. So to kill that powdery cast, do you travel with Urban Decay all night in your purse? Do you travel with setting spray in your purse? It's going to be a no. If I never tell y'all nothing else, like I'm telling you all, setting and baking is not for everybody. A beauty influencer is just that. They're here to influence, here to sell a product, or just expose you to a product. Understand what I'm saying? Always do your research for yourself and don't shoot the messenger. Everybody is just not meant to bake and set. See y'all next video.